it's me, Belle, and welcome to my channel. For this video, i-unbox na natin yung second mystery box na in-order namin sa Lazada. But this time, ibang store yung aming in-orderan, which is the Lucky Box 101. So, tingnan natin kung lucky tayo this time. So, remember, dun sa una kong video, we have received a cellphone charger, portable fan, yung tawag dito, flash drive, tsaka yung earphones, and the last one is the mono stick, the monopod or the selfie stick. So for the price of 598 pesos, ayun yung nakuha namin. So this time, ang amin pong nabili is worth 1,000 pesos. So nakakaramdam ba? Ito nga pala yung na-order namin. So kung hipuin mo, may mga ilang boxes siya. Feeling ko dalawa na yung magiging charger namin. So halika na, i-unbox natin. So ito na ang cutter. Nakakakapang nga pa pala ako ng sobrang daming boxes. Kaya, eto na siya. Tingnan natin. Unang bumungad sa akin ay uy, may iPhone! Ito, designed for iPhone, protected by outer box. So, isa siyang iPhone silicone case for iPhone XR. So, kung may iPhone XR na case, baka mayaman. Tingnan natin. Oh! Tama yung unang kapa. The other one is gamepad. Next. Isa pa ulit na case ng iPhone. Ganun ulit. XR. Ano kaya ito? Ito na yung last box. Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako. Ano kaya ito? Kasi may dalawang pagka halimbawa, ewan ko kung ano eh. Pagka halimbawa, ayun. Aanhin ko tong ano. Ano to? Ay, Diyos ko. Ang laman ay dalawang Rosmos. Girl, it's Romos. Sense 4 na ang tawag dito yung tawag dito power bank. So meron na kaming nakuhang dalawang power bank na Rosmos nga sabi. Sense 4 na power bank. Okay, so that's a recap of what we have received from our lucky box na in-order sa Lazada worth 1,000 pesos. So the first one is a silicone case for iPhone XR. The next one is a portable gamepad, and we also received another silicone case for iPhone XR, and ang na-receive namin huli ay dalawang Rosmos. Ang kulit, sabi ng Romos, power bank. So, tingnan natin kung lugi nga ba kami for 1,000 pesos worth na lucky box. So, chinek namin yung price ng bawat item sa mismong Lazada, and we found out that this cellphone case, itong for iPhone XR, is worth 1,200 pesos. So, yung dalawa nito is 2,400 pesos. Ito namang power bank is worth 108 pesos. So, times 2, we have 216 pesos. And the gamepad is worth only 50 pesos. So, kung i-add natin yung lahat-lahat, itong mga nakuha naming item, including this one, to pala ay mahal, is 4,566 pesos. Hindi na kami lugi kung aming pagbabatayan is yung prices nitong item. Kaso, ang problema namin, hindi kami naka-iPhone XR. So, anong gagawin namin dito? Ayun na ang munang problema. So, katulad ng nauna, meron din pala siyang raffle ticket para manalo ng mas bonggang prize. So, nakalagay dito doon sa papel ay, congratulations, you are now one step closer to winning. You might not have won today, but you are still entitled to a raffle entry to our grand prize at the end of the month. So, katulad lang din pala nung aming unang mystery box. So, meron din another raffle ticket para manalo ng mas bonggang prize. Thank you for joining our Mystery Box Pouch game and the best of luck. Send us your phone number and you will receive a regular load for every 5-star review. Send us a screenshot of your review via chat and receive a free load within 24 hours. Wow, may pa-loads pala sila. And then, ito pala yung magsaserve as raffle ticket for another prize. So, hindi pa daw kami talo. And that's it. So, tapos na po ang ating unboxing serye ng mga mystery box. So, I hope you like my video and do not forget to click the like button kung nagustuhan mo to. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Like my Facebook page and like the app. The link is on the description box. Until next time, again, it's me, Belle. Bye!